Alright, so this is a Wilson Combat Beretta Centurion, and because of my small hands, I am going to be installing the short reach trigger. I already took off the grips. Obviously there's nothing in it. First thing to do is to take off the slide and set that aside. And some things you're going to need are some tweezers, a punch, and strain, or in this case dental floss. More than just for teeth. Alright, after disassembling it this far, first thing you're going to do is you're going to take this little spring here and very carefully take that out. Comes out like that. Set that to the side. Next thing you're going to do, and it does help to have the hammer up as you do this. Like a glove. Alright, take this bar out. I did buy this gun used, so some wear marks are on this. After that, you're going to go to the other side, and you're going to, in the Brownells video, they have you keep this side grip panel on, but I took it off because I found it is just easier that way. And then they instruct you to very gently pull this out. Trying very carefully not to damage these little spring mechanisms. Set that to the side. This is where the punch comes in. You just very gently punch that out. Alright. You're gonna save the spring. And you are going to drop that in. Then you use the slide stop. Oh, you use the pin as a way to partially put that in. You don't want to put it in all the way. Alright, the reason why you don't want it all the way is At this point, you're gonna take your string and you're gonna shove it down in there. This is a pro tip that the Brownell video does not explain. But you'll see here in a little bit why this is important. Alright, you're going to see that the string is locked behind that spring. And it's going to be important here in just a little bit. From here, you make sure that the spring is aligned correctly with Alright, from here we are almost done. Just got a few more parts to put in. You're gonna, from here, put in that and through the little trigger hole. And very gingerly move that, put that in part way. So you just partway there, and you're going to use the string to pull on the spring. And voila, there you have it. All that's left is to install this again. And there is a difference of a micrometer, but when you have hands as small as this, it is really important. That is a world of a difference. Alright, other than putting on the grips, this is installing a short reach trigger with the use of dental floss.